Hello Mark, I'm Nizar from London Dodge dealership. I'm gonna do the video walk around of the brand new red 2018 Ram 2500 truck. That's the Hemi and Laramie. Fully loaded fog lights with LED lights, front sensors and front two hooks. And here the engine. 6.4 liter V8 with the insulated battery on the hydraulic hood. This is here the mega cab with mud flares. 6.4 with the extended mirrors, power windows and power locks, power driver seat and power passenger seat. This is the Laramie logo. And here you'll see here you have the sunroof, power sunroof, and here you have the remote starter, heated seats, heated steering wheel with navigation and backup camera. Okay, large seats here in the back. It's mega cab, heated seats also. We have also here the box liner, towing package, backup sensor, 4x4. That's a beautiful truck. That's very beautiful. Mark, if you have any question about this truck, please let me know. I'm Nizar. You have the power folding mirrors here. Okay, and the 4x4 switch and the push start button. Thank you so much for considering the London Dodge. And talk to you later. Bye bye, Mark.